Hey, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashok from India. Today, I am going to share my speech about the person Russ Stein. He is one of the contestants of America's reputed reality television show Shark Tank. People can watch Russ' performance in Shark Tank game show on April 22, 2026. He teamed up with Melody Stein, Tasia Stein, and Raylon Stein and features in Shark Tank game show. Russ is a budding entrepreneur. His full name is Russell Stein. He is the founder of PI00A company, which is selling frozen globally inspired Neapolitan pizzas. He founded that company in the year 2023. He is living in Los Angeles, which is located in California. He began his career in the year 1996. He began his career as a California Relay Service Operation Supervisor. Let me speak about his education qualification. He is having bachelor's degree in business administration and management general. He studied in a reputed university known as Gallaudet University. All the best to Russ Stein, sir, for achieving success in your career.